Hello, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a layered card using one paper pad. I bought this paper in the range. It is called Luxe Paper Block and it contains backing papers, stickers, lots of lovely pre-cut elements and also sentiments printed on the vellum. Really nice paper pad which has actually everything you need to create a card, almost everything. It was hard for me to choose the elements I want to use, but I decided to go with a big beautiful window and other smaller pieces. My card is 10 by 20 centimeters, and for the first layer I have chosen a lavender paper which is 9.5 by 19.5 centimeter, and the second layer, the top layer, is wooden pattern paper 8.5 by 18.5 centimeters. Please check the description below the video for all the measurements and info about the products. I'm using a tracing wheel to emboss the edges of my top layer, and then I'm going to stick the papers to the card base. So for the first layer I will be using just glue, and for the second layer I'm going to use pieces of cardboard to create dimension between the layers. Before adhering the window to the card, I'm going to score it on both sides of the shutters, in the place where the shutter meet the window, so I can push the shutters up a bit and create a lovely not flat element. Apart the elements included in the pad, I have few other bits. So I have a piece of lace, die-cut leaves, handmade flowers, sizal, little artificial branch and a piece of ribbon. You can use any flowers you have at home. I would go with the pink, purple, lavender or white flowers. I will leave you with the music while I will be building the composition, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. last things I want to add to my card are little, these are polystyrene balls, but you can use micro beads or little pebbles. I buy these also in range in a Christmas department. They are listed as an artificial snow. And I will add a little bit of glitter and then a splash of white acrylic paint. Actually, I do it in every video, so I'm sure you know what I will be doing now. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to create a card inspired with my tutorial, a similar card. You don't need to ask me if you can create something like that, because I am doing the videos for you, so you can recreate something I did. I would be very happy if you could tag me on social media using tag Emilia Sieradzan, and then I will be able to see your creation. It's very rewarding, and I love to see what you create with my tutorials. Thank you very much. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.